Chemistry class, please put on your goggles and your optional apron now.
Station number 5 is the test tube heating station. This station has two parts to it. There's a test tube clamp and a test tube holder. We want you to get used to and comfortable with using both of those devices. So make sure that everyone in the group has had a chance to hold on to the test tube holder and set up the test tube clamp. Please be careful with the test tube clamp not to over tighten. You can break the test tubes. Once everyone's gotten a chance to play around with both of those, put the test tube holder to the side and set up the test tube clamp. Remember, if you're heating a substance in a test tube, the open end of the test tube should never be pointed at anybody's faces. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to arrange the ring stand and the test tube clamp so that it can be pointed towards the closest wall. That way, if anything shoots out of the test tube, it's not going to endanger anyone's face, hair, clothes, whatever. Once you have that set up, take about 1/4 of a piece of wood splint and put it into the test tube. Move the Bunsen burner away from the test tube and the test tube clamp, light it, adjust the flame so you have a nice flame, and then move the Bunsen burner underneath the test tube. You're trying to heat the bottom of the test tube where the wood splint is. And once the wood splint has completely burned up, you can turn off the Bunsen burner and let the test tube cool, and then you can clean up the station. Make sure to clean out your test tube very well with your test tube brush. Again, take things apart so that the next group can put it together and get the hang of it.